Hello, this is Paige, and I'm going to show you how to use the partial quotient model to solve a division word problem. First step, read the problem. Elizabeth Pruitt, a pastry chef at Tartine, has 146 cupcakes to put in boxes that hold 6 cupcakes each. How many boxes will Elizabeth need to fit all of the cupcakes? After you've read and understood the problem, you should write an equation to represent the division word problem. So we have 146 cupcakes, and 6 cupcakes fit into each box. We want to know how many boxes we'll need to fit 6 in each. To set up the partial quotient model, you need to use the division symbol that looks like this. And then you kind of put a tail all the way down your page. You put the dividend in the middle and the divisor on the outside. Now you're ready to think about multiplication. You want to find out how many 6s will go into 146. Well, use your landmark numbers, kind of like we did with the sharing out model and rectangle model. I know that 6 times 10 will get me 60 cupcakes that I'll be able to put in boxes. The cool thing about the partial quotient model is how it's organized. So here, all I have to do to find out how many cupcakes I still have left is subtract the amount I passed out, 60, from 146. So we have 6, 14 minus 6 is 8. So we have 86 more cupcakes to pass out in each box. So I know that 6 goes in, there are more 6s that can fit into 86. I'm going to use that landmark number again, 10, because I know that 6 times 10 is 60, and that's still less than 86. So I'm going to put 10 over here to show that I'm passing 10 more groups of 6 out. And then I'm going to put 10 times 6, which is 60, here to show how many cupcakes I actually did pass out. And I'm going to find out how many cupcakes are left by using subtraction. So 6 minus 0 is 6. 8 minus 6 is 2. Now we have 26 more cupcakes to put into boxes. So I'm going to think about my multiplication facts and think about how many times 6 will go into 26. I know 6 times 5 is 30, so that's too many. But I know that 6 times 4 is 24, which is as close as I can get to 26 when I'm thinking about multiples of 6. And then I'm going to subtract. 26 minus 24 is 2. That means I have 2 as a remainder. And now I got to figure out what my quotient is. So to find the quotient for your problem, you're going to look on the right side of your tail. These are the number of boxes that you've used to put all of the cupcakes in. So when you add this up, 10 plus 10 plus 4, you get 24 boxes with 2 extra cupcakes. When I go back to my equation up at the top, 146 divided by 6 equals, my quotient is 24 with a remainder of 2. But if I'm really answering the word problem here, Elizabeth needs all of the cupcakes in boxes. So my answer to the word problem would be a little bit different than my answer to the equation. My answer to the word problem might look something like this. Elizabeth will need 25 boxes. So one more than the 24 that we found over here to fit these extra 2. So Elizabeth will need 25 boxes to fit all 146 cupcakes. And that's it.